Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So it is a hot day here in Texas. It's 95 degrees and it feels like 99. But we're here with Big Blue, or my 2002 Tahoe. We're gonna go look at a new trailer. It's a motorcycle and trailer, 6x10 enclosed. Hopefully we're getting a good deal on it. We're gonna go check it out. Hopefully we can get back with the trailer. We'll get back to you. Alright guys, so we're back. It's been a few days now. We've got the trailer. Let me go ahead and show you guys around. Alright, so like I said, we've had it for a few days now. So on the inside, it's an older trailer. It's a 2004. Those are the blocks I had the camera set up on right now. Got my saddlebags in here. I've been working on the bike a little bit. Came with a spare tire, a little front wheel chock, pegboards, and just, you know, plywood on the bottom. It's got the side chute here, and I mean the inside is good. The welds are good. This is a CM trailer, and so to my understanding, this year CM trailers, they have they're all steel bodies. Well, you can tell. For a 2004, the body is in really good shape. When we get out here, we'll go ahead and show you the little imperfections it has. So back here, everything is good. We just have the broken light there, but that's fine. It needs a good washing. And there I am right there. So the good thing about it is I went ahead and I picked this up for $16.50. The lady, she had moved here from Colorado and she was looking at selling it, so for $16.50 I went ahead and picked it up. I don't think it's too bad of a deal for a 6x10 in this good of condition, even though it's 2004. So like I said, we got brand new tires on it. She gave me the receipt. She had literally just bought them, I believe, a week before she sold it to me. They came with the warranty on them too. The diamond plate I'm going to be polishing up. I already got started on the other side a little bit. It's just a normal 2-inch ball. We got the side chute here. Like I said, there's various scratches across it. It's not really that big of a deal, but I'm going to go ahead and polish it up either way. Like I said, here, I don't know if y'all can see in the camera on the screen that I polished up some of the diamond plate there. And then like I said, we got the side chute here. The side chute comes in, it has the lock on the back, and we just got the full trailer. So I have a lot of goals with this trailer. Like I said, I'm going to be moving quite a bit the next 2 years. I should be moving from Austin, maybe to another apartment there in Austin, or to a home within the city. But I'm also looking at moving either to Galveston or somewhere else. So yeah, this is the inside. Like I said, it is in really good condition. I said there's no rust anywhere at all in this entire thing, under the frame, nowhere. Like I said, we got the spare there. So the only issue I came with is that even though it's a 6x10, my bike fits tight. It is super tight. I guess I just got a big bike, but I also didn't have it all the way pushed forward into the front wheel holder here. So that may have, you know, totally been it. But I had maybe about 6 inches of clearance in the back when I closed it up. But otherwise it fits perfect. There's plenty of room on the sides. So my goal right now is to go ahead and with the bike in here, I want to be able to have a kind of like a toolbox in this area here, with a battery or something, to go ahead and power some lights in here, so that way, you know, if I'm ever loading up late at night or whatever, or if I just want to use it as a little shop. Here in this pegboard, I'm probably going to get rid of this and kind of put a sticker board or a poster board or something there, just to make it unique. But yeah, I want a battery box there, and then on this other side, probably a toolbox or something. Maybe something I could put my helmet in or whatever. Like I said, I don't plan on necessarily transporting my bike all the time, but for the few times I am, I figured this would be worth it. Yeah, guys, so that's the trailer. Like I said, $16.50. I thought it was a pretty good deal. I looked at them new. This exact model, brand new, is, I believe it was $5,400 brand new. So like I said, couldn't beat it. It's 2004. The newer ones are made out of aluminum, so they're a little lighter, but they're also not as high quality as this all steel body is. It with no rust, like I said, can't beat it. So yeah, my plans are to polish it up. Well, one, I need to wash it. Then I'm going to polish it up and get the metal all polished up. So I look forward to showing you guys that. Let me know if y'all want to see any videos of that or anything. Let me know in the comments. And I also want to apologize for taking too long, or for it being a while since my last video. I had university exams, so those took me about 3 weeks to get through. Passed them all, did well. So yeah, I'll keep y'all updated. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.